The next one is going to be 13-year-old calls the police on her drunk mother. Doesn't end well.
I have to do my job.
How old are you? 22 years old?
I'm 30, ma'am. Go sit on your freaking porch.
No, it's not.
Right,
On April 4th,
I'm 30, ma'am.
2022, officers were dispatched to a residence in response to a domestic dispute between a mother and her 13-year-old daughter. Upon their arrival, both individuals were found outside the home.
IEP. She has an IEP.
Okay.
I'm sorry. She has an IEP.
What's IEP?
She's special needs.
Okay.
I need to tell you that.
Okay.
You're not trained, but you need to call someone that's trained with people that are special needs.
Well, let's just figure out what's going on.
No, call. You've not been trained. I'm sorry, sir. You're.
Oh man, this is not gonna go. Dude, 30 seconds in, you're already like, you messed this whole thing up. Holy shit.
So young. She has bit me.
Okay.
She's did this multiple times when I talked to someone like you know.
She looks like she's able to talk to us fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Can we just get...
Well, then look at how I look.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what.
Look at how I
I
look.
can explain to you about that.
She
Why
has
don't
a
you go sit on the porch? I'll talk to
She
her.
said,
I'll talk to you.
No, you don't talk to her unless you talk to me in front of her.
That's not true at all, ma'am.
Oh,
if
no,
I'm
yeah.
investigating...
Bro, she's like a 13-year-old parent. Like, this is insane. Like she's 13 acting like a parent. Like, this is insane. That 13-year-old is more mature than she is. And she's trying to say that she's mentally disabled so that they won't listen to anything that she says. That's crazy, bro. I hope she goes to jail. That's crazy. And then she called on her. Wow.
Child abuse, which is what I'm here for.
Child abuse?
Yes.
Child abuse?
Go sit
She's
over your
been
porch.
abusing me.
Go sit on your porch until I can talk to you.
Oh my God.
Go sit on your porch until...
Don't touch me.
Go sit on your porch
No,
until I'm done
you
talking.
call somebody that deals
Ma'am?
with IEP. No. Listen. I've took classes. Call somebody, sir. Sir. I know.
I'm not gonna call someone.
No. I have took classes. Call somebody
I'm telling you to go sit on your porch or you're gonna be obstructing and you're gonna go in handcuffs. Go sit on your freaking porch right now. Go sit on your porch. I'm trying to do my job and I'm just trying to talk to her to what's going on.
I have not child abused her.
Okay, well you're intoxicated and I'm trying to do my freaking job. Go sit on your porch.
No, I have not child abused her. She is plastered, bro. She has to be absolutely slammed. And what is this? What is her shirt? Who is that?
I can smell it on you from here, ma'am.
Oh, wow, boo.
Go sit on your porch so I can ask her why she called police. She's calm. She seems fine and able to just... I'll stand back here from her if you would like.
She's in me.
Okay, I will talk to you after I talk to her. Please go sit on your porch.
You can't talk to her unless...
I absolutely can.
Detain her.
No. She's an IEP.
I heard you the first time.
Special. Listen.
Bro, why don't they just detain them sooner? Like, you know there's a problem here. She's drunk. She's drunk. Like, flaming drunk, bro. Like, put her in the back of the car. Talking to her is doing nothing. Like,
I'm not asking her incriminating questions.
Do me a favor. I know what I'm talking about. Call your superior. You have to have somebody come out here and talk to her. She has special needs.
No, I
yes.
do not.
Okay. There's gonna be a lawsuit right now, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, there is.
Go sit on your porch.
No.
Why
She
did you
has
call us, ma'am?
special needs. She gets a social security check a month.
Okay, go
Sir,
sit on your porch.
sir.
I will talk to you in a second.
No,
Otherwise, you're going to go in cuffs for obstructing justice.
I know what I'm talking about. I just asked you, sir. I've took classes.
Okay, great. I still have to do my job.
How old are you? 22 years old?
I'm 30, ma'am. Go sit on your freaking
No,
porch.
no, it's not about.
All right, I'm done with this. Turn around.
You better not touch me. Ow!
You're under arrest for obstructing official business.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
hey, that could have went a lot worse. I know it's going to get worse. But that went really well. Never mind.
Get on the ground. Now you're under arrest for resisting arrest.
The shot, dude.
Listen! This motherfucker just put me in the fucking ground for no
Bro,
reason.
the amount of respect you would have lost from your 13-year-old in this moment, holy shit. Good luck ever telling them to do anything and they ever listen to you again. Oh my God.
Get your motherfucking ass out of my motherfucker. Stop it. I told you she has an IEP. Stop it. Stop it. Nobody.
Wow.
My
It's muted
daughter
or something.
you fucking wicked ass cop.
If you would have gone to sit on your porch like I told you to, this wouldn't have
Shut
happened.
up. You're on my property. You're on my property.
I'm investigating a possible domestic incident.
No, you're not.
So,
get your fucking knee out of my ass.
Bro, they don't get paid enough for this. I'm sorry. Like, this is too much. Like, I would hate to deal with this crap. Like, people just screaming all day. You could try to talk to them. It doesn't work. We've seen them try to do it countless times.
You just put my face in this ground and I'm bleeding.
Because you were resisting arrest.
No, I was not resisting arrest.
You pulled away
You're
with your handcuffs.
You're a liar.
She literally tried to run.
You know what? I have a Ring doorbell. I have cameras all around my house. You're a liar, you fucking sick ass bitch. You're a liar. Get off my.
Stop moving.
Get off of me.
Put her
I'm
in the
not
car.
doing anything to you. Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm the fucking victim today. Get off of me. She has an IEP.
Bro, she's honestly living for this. Like, she seems to love this. And I'm going to skip around because this is so boring.
I wouldn't know for what.
For resisting arrest and obstructing official business.
No, I haven't. I kept telling
You pulled away from me in handcuffs.
Nobody, she has an IEP.
It doesn't matter. You're still resisting right now. It's actually you're obstructing.
Okay, so another officer showed up and they put her in the car. Finally. Jesus.
Due to redactions, the daughter's statement was not captured on video. However, according to the report, she stated that her mother is emotionally and verbally abusive. Child Protective Services has been involved multiple times because of the mother's excessive drug and alcohol use. This particular incident began when the daughter attempted to leave the home, and the mother prevented her from doing so.
She has to be dealt with special police officers.
Bro, she was just trying to run away. That's so sad. And you're just a terrible parent that can't seem to understand that. Not to let them go, but that you're not doing a good job. Wow. I feel so bad for her.
Have ambulance check you out, make sure your face is all right.
Different officers out here.
All right. close
You
the
were
door,
obstructing
Bro.
and you wouldn't let us investigate to get to that information.
She's not going to be able to go anywhere with her blanket.
Well, that's unfortunately you decided that tonight, so.
No, I didn't. That officer really hurt me.
Bro, and then she's just gonna play victim to everybody and every different person she talks to.
And I'll never forget. I was never. She bit me. I have like old bruises all over my body.
Okay.
I wish you see
We can get you resources for Dan Street later for your daughter if you need. Do you
No, I
need
don't
those
want her
resources?
charged.
Okay, why are we, what is this all in here for? You couldn't have cut this out?
Girl abuses me all the time. I don't want.
She's such a pathetic drunk person.
You think I did any of that?
On camera, you pulled away.
No, I did not. No, I did not.
All right.
No, I did
I'm going to give you a minute to calm
not.
down, and then I'll come back and talk
No,
to
I
you.
did not.
The only reason people do this is because it works for them. Like, she wouldn't, this works for her when she plays victim all the time. So that she just does what she does.
I'm going to give you a minute to calm down.
No.
Right? Sit tight.
Wait till I get on the. Wait till I get on the phone.
I just watched the video.
It's like an oven. You just come back 20, 30 minutes later, see if it's done yet.
One more time. Is there anything you want to revise about your statement?
No.
About what happened today?
No.
Okay.
I didn't attack him or
I
nothing.
didn't say you attacked him, but you did resist arrest,
No.
okay?
How? Why? Why would he even tell me I was under arrest?
For obstructing official business.
How was I obstructing?
Because you weren't listening to his orders when he was trying to investigate.
I was telling him to call. Did you not hear that?
Yeah, I
did you
did.
not keep hearing me
did.
say to call?
I did.
To call special.
Dude, she hasn't learned a single thing this entire time. Holy shit. And this is like the span of how long?
Were dispatched to a residence upon.
It's 2005. Oh, this was like 45 minutes, dude. Wow.
Have any other questions for me?
I need you. No.
Bro, it took 45 minutes to to solve this situation because she was so drunk. Wow. I'm sorry, that one was kind of unbearable. And a lot was left in there we didn't need to see. I feel like you could have cut that out. So I skipped over it. I'm not gonna bore y'all with it. Anyway, next one. Still police release. Teacher arrested for DUI after showing up to work drunk.